There's a small lake over there. But it's disappeared.
Nothing to be concerned about. It may have been a mirage.
Really?
Yes, I know a thing or two about the desert.
Penny, aren't you a penguin?
A penguin that likes being well informed.
Speaking of information, Willie's building something new.
Feathers up!
Congratulations! Our radio is very handy.
But I've got to get rid of that annoying noise.
That's not noise. It's called music, and humans love it.
What weird taste. Don't you think chirping is better? Depends on what kind of music. Humans usually move like this when they listen to music.
They call it dancing.
What a silly hobby that is.
Oh no, it's over.
We'll finally be able to go out.
But we haven't even arrived yet.
Yes, we did. Look.
Cool, we can build a huge sandcastle.
Ladies first, you imply bird.
We can make a huge sandcastle if you help us.
Did you hear, girls? Sandcastles.
We're not interested in your girly games.
Yahoo!
That was easy, but I bet you can't do this.
I'm the best at somersaults. Not as good as me.
Girls, I don't see the airship anymore.
Stop whining. It's somewhere behind that dune. Well, if not, then it's certainly behind that other dune.
I don't understand it. Luckily, we have the best interpreter available on board.
And now, the weather forecast for the next 24 hours.
Well?
Weather forecast. A storm is on the way.
Humphrey, Floyd, it's time to go.
No, but we want to finish our castle.
We must leave immediately. It's dangerous. A storm's coming.
We're not afraid, are we, Humphrey? Humphrey?
But where are the ducks? We can't just leave without them. Girls, we better go. There's too much wind. We'll go back after the race, sissy. Ready?
Ready, steady, go!
Hey, they're just now getting back.
Thank goodness. Get ready to leave.
Diana, we really missed you girls.
I'm Doris Mammal. Well, Diana and Dawn were racing when the wind swept them away.
What will they do now, outside, in the middle of a sandstorm?
Why not send the mammal to find them? It'll be easy to find them with its radar.
You are right. But,
You're too light, Nat. The wind would blow you away.
Can somebody please tell me what flying mammals are useful for? What a pity. The sandstorm arrived just when I was about to win.
I was about to win. Right, girls? Did you see? Hey, girls!
They're lost. No, they didn't. We did. exhausted.
So am I. Let's have a rest in that rocky dune.
Rocky Dune! A pyramid, how beautiful!
Sometimes humans get things right.
Hey,
Yes, what?
hey, you!
Did you hear that?
Yes, it came from under the ground.
Or from the pyramid? It's a talking monument?
Pyramids aren't monuments, they are tombs!
The Pharaoh's chamber.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm not that important.
What a scare!
Well, I may not be the most handsome camel in Egypt, but I do have other qualities. My name is Charlie.
Why don't you come out and introduce yourself properly?
Well, that won't be easy. I'm stuck. Never fall asleep during a sandstorm.
Let us help you. Quick, start digging.
Thank you, girls. Very kind of you.
Just out of curiosity, how big is a camel?
I'd say 6 ducks in length and 5 ducks high.
11 ducks, that's too many.
It's 6 ducks times 5 ducks is equal to 30 ducks.
Well, anyways, it's not worth ruining our feathers. We'll never make it.
Any other ideas then?
Yes, we need to find the airship.
Airship?
In what direction was the wind blowing?
That way.
We must go in the opposite direction and we'll find them.
Yes, right. We'll be back soon with the reinforcements.
Don't move, okay?
We can go out to find Diana and Dawn. The wind is stopped.
The radio says there's another storm coming.
Bad radio.
I think I can see them down there.
Where? Sure it's not a mirage?
In front of your beak. I was right about the direction to take.
Pardon? I was right. It was my idea. Stop stealing my ideas, will you?
Yep, there they are. They're coming back. Hey, girls, at last!
I guess all's well that ends well. I have a feeling we might have forgotten something.
Oh, you're right. We forgot a snack.
Oh gosh, Charlie! I almost forgot about him. There's a camel buried under the sand.
Really? A buried camel? Where?
That way or that way?
Next to a pyramid that looks like a stairway.
A stairway? Oh, then it must be the Sahara Pyramid. Let's go.
That penguin is full of surprises.
All right then, feathers up. Nice game. Better than sandcastles. Really? I can't wait to get out of here. Okay, let me help you then. Hey, stop it. I'll get a giraffe neck like this.
We've got to move before another sandstorm comes. Sandstorm, huh? The storm was so strong it covered Charlie with all that sand. Maybe the upcoming storm will blow it away. We would need to control it. I have an idea! We'll create a sandstorm for Charlie.
You know, you remind me of a vulture.
A vulture? Me?
Okay, birds, let's fly faster.
Girls, did you hear him? Come on!
Okay, birds, let's go.
Okay, we're coming. My head is spinning.
I'm just so excited. It's my first flight.
I would suggest we get moving. The storm is about to arrive.
Charlie, it seems like everything went okay.
We're safe up here.
Are you sure?
Well, thank you for digging me out of the sand and for the ride.
By the way, we've still got a race pending.
Need a referee?
Certainly, the referee is the most important thing in a race.
The important thing is to always brush your teeth.
Breaking news. A sudden tornado took place near the Sahara Pyramid at 12:47. The phenomenon has been detected by several meteorological satellites. Scientists are now at work to determine the cause of the strange event.